Hey, random guy, can we
Flower. You look at me like that. Why are you feeling like that? Super duper don't like you, bro. Oh my god. What do you want? What do you want over there? What do you want? Hmm? Hmm? Hey, what's going on? What's going on, man? My cat decided to take over the shower.
That is stupid.
He's evil, man. He's really evil.
We're getting the world tech right now. I have no idea what's going on.
Borna Barisic just said delete the board in the forums.
Yeah, he just said that like 7 hours ago.
He just said I don't. Someone just said I don't see it. I'm not logged in. Oh my god, I'm not logged into my account.
What account?
I don't know my password. Never mind, I remember it.
What
I got
account?
it. I don't know. That's what someone just said. Or no, like I was gonna create a forum as well.
Why are you not catching? I don't know. Oh, I have no idea what this guy's doing. He's just wandering around over there. No, I'm gonna tell him to keep up because he he's just doing absolutely nothing. But you know what? He's trying his best.
Uh, I said, I said I'm gonna steal everyone's speed runs.
Oh, that's easy, man. It's easy.
Yeah, it says I'm gonna be the best speedrunner next, guys. Be afraid. And then I just said in the fucking in a message, I said I'm gonna steal everyone's speed runs, and then just laughing. It's over for them.
This is a slow run, man. Yeah. This is so bad. I'm just
Why are they? What they should? They need to add they need to add slow runs to Idle.
yeah. Whoever can get the ending like 1 second before you die, then win. Alright. I'm about to get the decoy. I'm just gonna grab the strange rock and just hope it teleports me to
What do you
dogs.
mean the decoy? Are you doing the boat?
Yeah. We're doing the bow because nobody's gonna do bow
Dude.
with 2 players.
Oh my god, my cat just got out of the restroom. He's done taking over my bathroom. Okay, let me go try.